Hello guys. Welcome back to Pink Slays. Are you all having a good day? I hope you are. I am back with another fun video just for you. But before we get into it, I just want to tell you how much I love you all. And each and every one of you means the world to me. Now let's get into the video.
Hey, who the duck took my spaghetti? Your spaghetti? I don't know. Check where you kept it. I kept it in the refrigerator and now, when I came to eat it, it is gone. Are you sure? What do you mean, are you sure? Of course I'm sure. Now give me back my spaghetti. Or else. What are you going to do? I'll not cook for you guys. Never ever. It's okay guys. I've got it covered. Sugar damn it. Personal chat between Jungkook and Namjoon. Hey Hyung. Yes Cook. What do you want? Do you want me to solve any math problems for you? No. I want something else. Okay, what is it? I was hoping if we could do a lyric prank on the others. Lyric prank? Is that the only prank you know? I mean, how many times have you done it? But still I can pull it off. Like my last lyric prank was 2 days ago and no one knew it was a lyric prank until I said it myself. Yes, you are right. Now tell me. Which song? Let's prank some idiots. Candy by DOJA Cat. Oh my Namjoon. Do you know the meaning of the song? Yep. About candies and chocolates. Of course I know the meaning. What am I, 5-year-old? Duh. Okay. Let's just keep it that way. Back in the main chat room. Yes, well. If I don't get my spaghetti back, this might go a difficult way. I might have to take the hard way. Bro, chill. We ain't scared of you. Right. What are you going to do? Stop cooking? Well, guess what? We have our beloved Yoongi Hyung to cook for us. Always here and anything for my mans. Hyped for what? As far as my observation, there is nothing fun or nothing to get hyped of. Just Jin screaming. What? I'm screaming. Yes. You are screaming. Why are you screaming? Why the hell are you screaming, soulmate? Can you all stop screaming? I don't know. Can you? Stop, y'all stop. I think my eardrums are about to explode. Well, I wanted to sleep. Now guess what? I can. Guy. Which guy? Me. I'm always down. You know that, right, Cook? Oh my lord. Why do I have to witness all of this? You are going nowhere late at night. You are going to sleep in your room. Or else you are grounded. Did you understand, young man? Whoa. Calm down, mother. Someone who's sweet enough won't shoot to make that high note. Am I not enough to shoot the high note? Also we have Jungkook, Jin, and T. Yeah right. Are we not enough for you? We are the literal vocal gods and you need someone else. Really, June? Really? Wait, June. Are you thinking of adding a new member to BTS? Are you sure? No, never gonna happen. We have always been 7, and will always be 7. Right, JK. Right. Yes. What JK said is accurate. We don't have to run over billion men. These 7 guys right here is more than enough for us to survive. Yep. Both in career and life. Namjoon Hyung. How many times have we told you to stop speaking alien language and start speaking human language? Yes, right. He be acting as if he came from the Area 51 or something. Don't tell me you believe in that shit. What is there to not believe? Aliens are real, and so is Area 51.
She's just like candy. She's so sweet.
What? Who? She? Are you cheating on me? I didn't sign up for a drama, y'all. Jungkook. I didn't raise you to be like this.
Know that it ain't real cherry. Know that it ain't real cherry. She just
Cherry. I'm sorry. A big man. I'd like some. But if it ain't real then I don't want it. I always go for the original one. Like Guxy. There we go. Original BTS.
I can be your sugar when you're feeling for that sweet spot. Come me.
HMM. Is this some new way of flirting? If yes, it ain't working. No, give me my spaghetti back. IDKY, but is this supposed to be funny? Cause I'm laughing like hell.
Put me in your mouth, baby, and eat it to your teeth, right?
Bring it on, daddy. Oh my, I'm just a St. Hobie water. Are you for real, JK? T. You were supposed to be my soulmate. You are not allowed to flirt.
I can be your cherry apple pecan on your key lime, baby.
What is this? Flirting game. Give me my spaghetti back. Oh my god. Shut the fuck up. Stop screaming.
Sugar-coated, lies unfolded, you silly rapper.
EWW. That is so nasty and disgusting. Jungkook. Come to my room. As soon as possible. No way in hell.
It's addictive, you know this, but you're still a rapper.
Look what I found. Seriously? A lyric prank? Really, June? What are you? A 12-year-old? I'm sorry y'all, it was JK's plan. And T. Why are you so horny as hell? I'm sorry. I thought he was being serious. Who? I can't believe you would cheat on me. Soulmate shit. My ass.